How shall we define the right space? How is the right space to serve a value? How is the right space to ease down and hustle? So we all know that at the right time, people have revolutionized things. But what we don't know is that they all were in the right space. And it was never done alone. So the right space alone will never push us forward. Therefore, then the right people will show us the path forward. And when we all together choose to change our work culture, we shall create something that was never imagined before.